and almost expecting a fake out, but taking the risk just in case.
How can you even think about giving up? Like, are you fucking gay? What is the alternative?
Please, 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 please.
Yo boys, today's day 11, live trading with MambaFX, the fucking man himself, using the breakout strategy. Boys, if you ain't already subbed, sub the up, or you're retarded. Besides that boys, hope you enjoyed the video, let's get into it. Just a quick one boys, this morning I was on the way to the gym and I was stuck in some brokey traffic. Do you know when everyone's rushing to work and shit in the morning, you just feel like a fucking knobhead. But yo, you sat there like, driving to a job that you hate, don't want to be at. You know all that shit, right? Honestly, I was sat there in the traffic and I was realizing, I was like, yo, like, how the fuck do people do this shit every single day? Like, honestly, it's not normal. It's really not normal. If you're sat in traffic every single day, sat there like, driving to a job that one you hate, two you got some boss telling you what to do and where to go and how to be and do all this bullshit, right? Like, bro, you don't even want to be there. You go up out of bed, fucked, and now you're going to a job you don't want to be at. Bro, and the reason why I'm bringing this up is because just in general, you may be trading and you failed a few times, you've blown a few accounts, you've lost a shit ton of money. And I see one or two of you man in the fucking comments be like, oh, I think I'm going to pack it in. Oh, I blew my account today, I'm down 8%. Some gay shit like that. And I'm thinking, bro, what the fuck is the alternative? What is the alternative? What are you going to go do? Oh, she blew an account, you lost some fucking money. You know, I'm just going to go sit in traffic every morning and come home in the fucking bullshit car that you bought on finance to impress everybody else that don't give a fuck about you, to then drive to a job that you don't give a fuck about, to impress people that you don't give a fuck about, to then, go to a job that you don't care about, to get money to then buy a car that, bro, do you know what I'm saying? The cycle continues. And I'm like, how can you even think about giving up? Like, are you fucking gay? Like, what is wrong? Like, bro, any of you man even doubting yourself for 2 fucking minutes and be like, oh, I'm going to give up, oh, no, this don't work, scam, bullshit, I can't do it. Bro, just like, yo, even if it takes you a year, 2, 3 years, 4 years, like, bro, what's the alternative? Like, realistically, think about it. If you don't trade or if you just stop trading, what the fuck else are you going to go do? Do you know what I mean? Oh, some bullshit job. Like, bro, what is the alternative? What are you going to go do? Bro, are you fucking gay? Like, what is wrong with you, bro? Just like, yo, you started this for a reason. And you've not come this far to come this far. I see some of you man like, oh, I've lost a few grand. So fucking what? You lost a few grand? I've lost a few grand. I've blown fucking accounts left, right, and centre. And don't stop me, does it? I'm not on here fucking complaining. I'm just out here showing you, man, I'm losing and fucking whether I win or lose. Like, grow some balls, stick to this strategy, and look what will happen. And brother, if it takes me to show you, man, that this shit is possible, coming from someone that's not yet achieved or accomplished where I want to be, and not even a profitable trader yet, by the way, if I have to show you that this shit's possible, keep fucking watching. Because trust me, whether it happens this year, or next year, or the year after that, it's gonna fucking happen. No, when I make it and when I do achieve, both, and you quit, and if you really did quit, you are fucking bent and you deserve whatever shit you're in. Whatever that shit is. Because you gave up way too early. Or you were trading, or you was learning to trade, but all you was doing is showing up to New York session. Trading for 5-10 minutes. That's it. Walk away with your day. No, you didn't analyse your trades. You didn't understand why you won. Didn't understand why you lost. Didn't journal. Didn't take screenshots. Didn't backtest. Didn't study. Didn't watch other people that are winning. Didn't try and learn anymore. Bro, you deserve to fail. If you are one of them dorks saying, oh, I'm going to pack it in. Well, fucking pack it in. Pack your bags and shut the fuck up complaining because nobody cares because you don't care enough yourself anyway to try and get yourself in a position where your life's better anyway. So fuck yourselves. But yeah, just ranting now. I'm just ranting. Don't let anybody make you think this shit is easy for 1 second because it's not. It takes time, it takes dedication, practice every single flipping day. But again, go back to it. What's the alternative? What is the alternative? Oh, can I book off some holiday? I would like to go on holiday. but I only have 28 days of an entire fucking 365 days of a year to go where I want, when I want. Bro, it sounds fucking gay. Honestly. But yeah, boys. Today's day 11. And whether I win, whether I lose, you're going to see everything peel back. Whether I overtrade, whether I over leverage, whether I mess up, whether I do something stupid, you are seeing absolutely everything. So boys, let me show you as an example. This shit is going to happen. It's literally already written. Like, there is no way that it cannot happen. I'm obsessed. Like, obsessed. It has to work. And I don't give a fuck whether I fail or lose however many months in a row. You might see me not making progress for however many months. I don't give a fuck, because I won't stop. I will not stop. And that's the key. I could take longer than other people. I could do it faster than other people. Don't really care. Just know I won't fucking give up. That's it. I'll just side sing. She's just rounding off Tuesday thing. She got an early booking this week. Usually comes around on Thursday, but.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Let's go.
Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's mark up our highs. Let's mark up our support, and let's have a good day. That's the most important part. We're just here to have, hopefully, a great day of trading. So, I mean, both setups look decent, but NASDAQ's just a little cleaner for me.
NASDAQ's cleaner.
My personal liking today. We have our highs and we have our support, and we can see that we're overbought a little bit. We kind of want to see price retrace, but we could also see price pushing to the upside. So I don't know. It's just a little bit cleaner than US 30. Last week we had 6 wins, 1 loss. This week we've had 1 loss, 0 wins. Overall, we're about 6-2, maybe 6-3 in the last 9 trades. About a 1 to 2 on average, meaning we're up pretty damn good. Let's not get crazy today and risk the whole account. Let's just trade like we do. Expect it to be a normal day. Forecast is a little bit red. We got JOLTS job openings and CB consumer confidence at 7 a.m. So be prepared for that in the next 30 minutes, and let's try our best to find a good trade.
Ooh. 20 seconds.
Be prepared to take multiple trades today.
Market's just opened.
So we'll see.
Let's go.
I'm not trying to get faked out early, but I'd probably go long on that push. Pretty tight stop though. 25 pointer.
25 pip. So then I
This
use
could be
calculator.
this is a high fake out probability here if we push right away. You know how it is when we get those early on pushes. But you know what? You also don't want to miss out on the trade. I'm going to be buying right here on NASDAQ. Like I said, high chance of a fake out.
I am officially in, boys.
The reason there's a high chance of a fake out is because it's so early on. Don't expect this to be our only trade. Gonna take a little bit of a risk here, and we will try to make something. Someone said all-time highs on NASDAQ. Wow.
Crazy.
That thing's booming lately. Like I said, I'm risking very small here, and almost expecting a fake out, but taking the risk just in case, because we don't want to miss out if it does end up just deciding to just take off on us.
Beautiful close on the 5. Beautiful close on the 5.
There's a target 1 right there for NASDAQ.
There you go. So my entry's just a little bit later. So when
Take that any day of the week.
So here's what I'm gonna do.
It's pushing very nicely.
So I'm moving my stops. So I'm moving my stop loss to
Below $40,000 profit. I'll take that.
Boom.
We're still pushing.
Right, so my stop loss is now at break even.
I'm only in NASDAQ.
So boys, I'm just trailing my stops now.
We've already closed half. We're letting it go. Let's go. Let's go. All of the lights in here, baby.
There we go. There we go.
I just trade whatever to me looks better or smoother, for sure.
more like it.
Pretty much the best way to do it.
So I've got my stop loss now at target 1. And I'm just trailing up. And that's all I'm doing. All I'm doing is trailing up. It's getting a little bit stally. Stalling a little bit. But either way, we've secured a flag in this trade. I am close to getting stopped out because obviously my TP1 is a little bit... hold on, why have I not been stopped out? I know we're all good. We're good. We are good. Partial close. So I'm at a 0.4. I am going to close out. So boys, I have just closed out a big fat position. I've essentially just closed out 90% of my position, and I'm just gonna let I'm just gonna let this one run now. Hopefully, if this runner runs, we're good. Do you know what I mean? So, especially when there's news in 20 minutes. When there's news in 20 minutes or within the next half an hour, always slower markets. I'll tell you what though, I felt a lot more chill holding that trade than I have probably any trade throughout the entire series. So far, the emotions are starting to honestly just like vanish. Feel a lot more chilled, a lot more relaxed. How it should be. How it should be. Even with my entry was on point. And like, yeah, I'm just letting this trail now. But yeah, I've closed 90% of the position. And yeah, if this flies, it flies. If it don't, it don't. Right, I've just been stopped out, boys. I'm fully out of this trade now. I'm not too fussed about it, to be honest with you. Either way, winning day, winning trade. Would have liked it to push a little bit further. Usually we're looking for target 2s and 3s, but it's better than no, innit? It is better than nothing. Yeah, boys, I'm going to update the... Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, why am I doing dumb shit? I'm getting fucking sweaty and shit. Like I say, boys, I'm not afraid to show you everything. As soon as I was exiting this trade and going to the P&L, I quickly came across the charts again, and I saw that US30 dropped like a sack of shit, and I saw NASDAQ breaking a support, and so I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to jump in and follow, boom, and then this happened. Red folder news in 40 seconds. Red not... Oh. We've got red... Do you know what, boys? Fuck it. Do it for content, innit, at this point. News drops in 5 seconds, boys. I've got my finger on the trigger with this one. Go on. Which way are you going? Not that way. 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 So yeah, I'm waiting for news. News hits, and sometimes what I do find is news. You think it's gonna go boom or boom. Sometimes it don't even make any big moves or anything really, or it does like a little quick tickle and then that's it. But what I will say about news, something that I have learned, is when there is up and coming news coming very soon after the open, is it just slows the volatility down, so you don't get them massive pushes that you usually like. So that's one thing I would just note there as I'm showing you this. Go that way. Keep going that way. No, don't bounce off that support. Keep going. Boys, this will be the ultimate comeback. Boys, we're about to witness greatness.
Please, 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 please. Come on. Please.
Oh, just drop. What are you doing? Just drop. Literally, what is going on? What is going on? Go on! That's what I'm talking about. Carry on. Bottom of this fair value gap, maybe. Oh, bro, stops. Stops are at break even. There's no way I am getting... Boys, why am I even in this trade? Why am I even... Bro, I'm out. What am I even doing? What even was that? And I know a lot of you man in the group are doing that shit on the daily. However you're doing that, you man must be having at least fucking several heart attacks a day, because that is just not the way I fucking trade at all. That was a load of bullshit. But luckily, I came out of that alive. All that stress for what? Ridiculous.